The S-Class Coupe is equipped with a rear-view camera. To exchange the camera, you need the diagnostic system. In Controls, select the 360-degree camera. After the click, the camera comes out under the Mercedes star. You can easily unclip the star. To do this, press on the sides of the brackets. The star slides off downwards. Here are the clips again in detail. For the following steps, turn off the ignition and disconnect the transmitter key. Now you need to remove the trim of the rear lid. First, remove the warning triangle, including the holder. Then remove the cover of the rear lid lock. Then the hinge lever trim. And then all the retaining clips. After the trim, the rear lid lock is next. It's attached with 2 screws. When you disconnect the 2 electrical plugs, you can then remove the lock. Now you get to the screws that hold the camera. Once the camera is removed, you can replace the corresponding parts and reinstall. After the reinstallation, the calibration of the camera is next. Click on Teaching Procedures and then select the calibration of the rear-view camera. The following calibration drive can take up to 10 minutes. While driving, pay attention to the instructions in the multifunction display in terms of steering and speed. Make sure that the indicator is in the green zone. When the display moves to 100%, the calibration of the rear-view camera is successfully completed.